When you really want to be close to Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, and this is to everybody, the most important thing in the step, in that process, you know what? You really want it. He looks inside you and me. He looks inside you and me and say, are you sincere? And he doesn't ask you. He sees and he knows. If you are sincere and by Allah you mean what you said, he will open the doors for you. And Allah said it in the Quran, Surah Al-Isra. Whomsoever wants the dunya, and Allah called it al-ajila, meaning the one that's quick, the one that we see. Jannah lahu fiha ma nasha. We'll give you whatever you want. And then he said the opposite, which is a very common concept in the Quran. There is always opposites. وَمَنْ كَانَ يُرِيدُ الْآخِرَةَ وَسَعَى لَهَا سَعْيَهَا وَهُوَ مُؤْمِنٌ فَأُولَٰئِكَ كَانَ سَعْيُهُمْ مَشْكُورًا. Number one, and this is related to everything I have said so far. Whosoever wants al-akhirah, not I want. You know what I mean? There's a difference when you say, I want to eat, and when you say, I'm very hungry, I want to eat. You're going to do everything to go and find the food, right? Why I'm saying this? Because look what he said next, subhanAllah. مَنْ كَانَ يُرِيدُ الْآخِرَةَ. So those who want the hereafter. That's it? I just want. وَسَعَى لَهَا سَعْيَهَا. And Allah says, you want the person who really wants an akhirah. That's not enough. وَسَعَى لَهَا سَعْيَهَا. And worked for it what it means. Did not work for dunya and he wants an akhirah or she wants an akhirah. سَعَى لَهَا سَعْيَهَا. And that's not enough. And you have the third one. وَهُوَ مُؤْمِنٌ. And here mu'min is a believer. We all are. But also you believe that Allah will never let you down. That when you really want something for His sake, He will give it to you. And Allah immediately says, فَأُولَٰئِكَ immediately, those that they have these three criteria. كَانَ سَعْيُهُمْ مَشْكُورًا. Your hard work will be rewarded. That wake up at 5 o'clock in the morning when it is extremely cold and you slept at 1 a.m. and you're extremely tired, but you pulled yourself out of that bed. That's sa'i. That's hard work. Remember that. Stand up even if it is 5 minutes. You did it for Allah. You're looking at the akhirah. أُولَٰئِكَ كَانَ سَعْيُهُمْ مَشْكُورًا. He will reward you. He will never let you down.